Hello guys!
It's 57 days.
And me too. This is my brother who's recording too. And we are only 2 players.
Only 2 players. 5 gone out.
And this is my comfy couch. And this is my brother's bed.
Kaya we use cultists to sleep. Wow.
And I already have an internal sword. Okay, I don't know how to read, guys. And I have a vampire cloak. My brother has a sight. Show it to them. That is his sight. Oh, don't attack me, bro.
And Soy has vampire cloak. Much more better than this thing.
But I don't care. Because I have eternal sword for you. I always give this to you, ha?
Lagay mo ito sa campfire. I need to heal.
The what?
I need to heal.
Oh my gosh! No.
Next, bukas na.
Okay.
Get ready! Get ready your strong flashlights to attack me.
Please speak English and do not speak Tagalog. Please.
Tagalog, may Pilipino. Ako.
Okay, I'm just gonna quiet.
Ha?
Nag-snack kayo?
No.
Hindi po. I'm just speaking I'm just speaking
maliligo
Tagalog.
Kami. Magliligo na kami.
Ligo na kayo, tapos mag-snack kayo mamaya ha.
Okay.
Okay po. I'm just say Filipino, guys. Bye-bye. Love you.
Love you.
Love you. I'm just...
Baka sa isip, sabi mo sa kanila eh.
No. I just opened the mic.
Hindi, ilabas mo na. Baka andun yung deer eh.
Okay, I will...
Now eat.
Bro, why? I'm hungry pala. Okay. Oh my gosh, why did I open it? Why did I open it, bro?
Do you see the deer? Ilabas mo na ganun. Baka makikita mo.
Oh my gosh, I saw the eyes. And now it's gone.
Bro, no deer in fact. Sabi ko sa...
Oh my gosh, there's a cultist gem.
Cultist gem.
There.
Wait, how many cultist gems na ba tayo?
2 lang.
Di, 3 na.
Okay. May na tayo Maga 5 na kasi may nang 2 nakita. I did that.
Wala naman. Lalabas na tayo mamaya. Get food ah.
I need to make you get healed. So I will get the crossbow.
And
But this is my beautiful couch.
na. Bilis. Morning na.
160 days.
Huh?
Let me do it.
Why did you poke me out?
That's what you... Kuya!
Paano 4 yan? May nakukuha lang akong 2 carrot. Something. Ganun lang ngayon.
Kuya, help me out here, please. Help me out here, please.
Okay, let's go down first.
But I killed it by my own.
Okay, put it all down.
There, come inside.
Here.
Side. Inside.
Oh my god. Let's kill another one.
No. Do not. Come inside.
I just want to heal. Hurry up.
Wait muna. I'm gonna get out.
Hurry up.
Wait, I can find my infernal sword. Somebody. Already dead, bruh.
Get some more.
Okay.
I'll get wood.
Do you want to get...
I want...
Kuya, help me out here. Help me out here, please.
Okay.
Come here. Oi! Please help!
Oh, nag-lose naman ulit ako ng health. Ako nang lagi nag-heal.
Nagalag ako. Later, gawa ang ano.
Kuha ka na yung food. Get food.
Slide.
kuha?
Only bunnies, not wolves.
One food na lang.
Okay.
Oo, napupunta pala dito ang food.
Ha? Diyan pala siya Bruh. Okay. We are day 61. And our map.
Dami mong carrots nito.
Bruh, because we have...
Eat na! Because you keep sprinting.
I did not sprint. Look at this, bruh.
Ba't nag-sprint ka? Oh, ba't ang low?
21 diamonds.
I'm gonna try to log here.
Please do not. You will be attacked.
Then I will use my tatara. Wait. Oh, let's use our sight.
I don't know how to... Kuya, I have too much items. Let me drop these things. Wait, eat. Hintay mo na. Tapon ko yung mga useless things ko. I don't need this.
I'm gonna drop my...
Ako nalalokwaw dito kaya lagyan ng...
Kailangan ko ng items.
There. All the things I need.
Konti lang. Ako, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Tinapon ko.
Ako, 1, 2, 3, 4 lang.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I need to heal. Huwag na.
Okay, here.
Okay, doon. Ayaw ko na. Okay na ako.
Then don't attack. OMG!
Is it hitting you?
It's in behind you.
It's not hitting me or anything.
It's just hitting Kraken.
How is it hitting me?
Bruh.
It's not even losing my health.
Please open your mic.
Can I have bandage?
Talaledo talala. Okay, here.
Heal.
Heal hold.
Huwag na.
Okay.
Kabaga na.
Pag namatay lang. Pag namatay na lang. I die easily, okay?
I have enough of you.
I will attack it.
Attack mo na nga.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi, wala na.
Malis na! Yes, baby! It's not behind me.
Oh, so much. So much.
Wow! 65! We need to reach 99 days.
60, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
Okay, bruh.
Lagi yan doon sa lightning rod. Wala dito.
Kuya, here it is.
No, I don't want it.
Just use it! So, kaya dun ka lang sa taas. Sa taas ka lang. Mag-shoot.
I'm going to shoot that bunny.
English.
Okay. I shooted the bunny but it still didn't die.
Pardon.
Galing ba ng bay?
I said pardon.
Pardon me? I killed the bunny, dummy.
Pardon.
I killed the bunny!
Pardon.
I killed the bunny!
I beg your pardon.
Hindi, 1 by 1 lang tayo Kapag nagutom kasi maliligo, 1 by 1 lang tayo maliligo. 1
Okay.
by 1.
Make pardon but make it English.
Pero hindi. Ayusin mo yung sa akin Ayusin mo. Kapag nagutom, kakain ako.
I will just keep.
Kapag mag-off,
I will just off your camera. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, my brother's camera is off.
I'm naked, don't show me.
Paano kung naka-screen recorder
Kapag
ako?
pumunta ka sa camera,
Wait, ba't 26 ka? Ako 21.
21.
21 diamonds, ikaw 26.
Wait, did you waste your diamonds again?
No?
Ba't sabi mo kanina 33 diamonds?
I wasted it.
Where?
ID key. I wasted it. On class.
What class?
ID key what class I am.
But scavenger ka pa rin.
I know, chill. But okay, balik ka ulit sa scavenger. Because I really
Di ba
like...
sabi mo kanina scavenger? Ginan ko mamaya dyan, kabang namatay tayo.
Wait! Ginamit ko lang diamonds ni Zafia. Yung diamonds ko at 19. Zafia, I just used it na accident.
Paano mo ginag-gift? Kala ng Robux ka bang nag-gift? How did you waste that?
Bye-bye!